Alright, quick video. Simoniz 1500 was leaking all over the place, right out of the handle. Otherwise decent machine. Screws out, and really it's not how to fix it, it's just the sizes of these things, because I couldn't find them anywhere. Pretty basic setup. Okay, hose comes in, crimped on to brass fitting, and then right here, this is your valve. Okay, so you pull that out. Okay, handle comes off right there. Okay, so there's 3 O-rings. You can see them. 1, 2, 3. This one and this one are 7/16, 5/16, 1/16 right there, and the small one at the top, 9/32, 5/32, 1/16. Okay, easy reassembly. There is a spring inside here, don't lose it. Together, handle on, cram it in so it's all lined up. There have been other videos, but I didn't see any with the sizes, and that was what was catching me up. Too many projects on the go, of course. Alright, in there. Don't forget your lock. Sits there. Together, and you put the screws all in. Easy as that. But I just wanted to make sure everybody had these sizes because I couldn't find them. Okay, 9/32 by 5/32 by 1/16. You need one of those, and then you need 2 7/16 by 5/16 by 1/16. Okay, I do not yet know the size for the attachment. I'm pretty sure it's a 105, so 1/2 inch by, I gotta look it up again, but I don't have any of those yet. Anyway, hope that helps.